Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to System, then Storage. This gets you right into Storage Sense. Turn Storage Sense on, that enables automated cleanup. Now click Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. Choose when it runs, for example every day, week, or month, and set thresholds for temporary files and recycle bin retention. Doing this first saves time and prevents manual cleanup. Once configured, you have control over what Storage Sense removes and when it runs. Next, configure the detailed cleanup options so Storage Sense only deletes what you want. Choose how long temporary files stay, 1 day, 14 days, 30 days, because shorter retention frees space but may remove useful temp data. Decide whether to auto-delete files in downloads older than a set number of days. Keep this off if you store important files there. Also enable OneDrive Cleanup to remove locally available files while keeping them in the cloud, which saves disk space without data loss. Finally, run Storage Sense manually to confirm settings and watch the first automated run. This validates your choices. Monitor storage usage in settings and look at recent cleanup results to ensure expected files were removed. If Storage Sense doesn't run or removes wrong items, first undo settings and run again. If problems persist, reset Storage Sense by toggling it off and on, or clear the temp folder manually via %temp to force a clean state. This usually resolves stuck cleanup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.